Hello everyone, my name is Alan. I'm from Panel Lighting. Our factory provides LED professional system solution and products for personalized needs of customers. And our major product is LED strips. It is truth universally acknowledged that with the development of technology and the society, consumers look forward to LED lighting on the appearance and the function becoming increasingly individualized. People's needs are not limited to indoor lighting. The outdoor decorative lighting is more attractive to people's attention. Okay, today I'm going to show you our latest neon strips, which is three-side emitting square series. As a matter of fact, the primary design of this product is multi-angle installation, three-side linear emitting, and without stock area. The LED chip of this item is 2835. 2800 to 3200 correlated color temperature can give the effect of warm white emitting. On the other hand, IP67 waterproof can be used in the majority of humid environments like outdoor building, bridge, park, and what have you. Moreover, this product is made of silicon material with UV resistant, yellow resistant. The more convenient that the max working length of this product is 10 meters with cuttable size, and the length can be controlled whatever you like. Okay, so what happens next? There are 4 steps to show you how to use and the installation. That's just a formality. So in conclusion, what is the best lighting for your life? I want to say that it is adequate one, which is best. And thanks for watching my video. I appreciate it. Bye.